Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Raj, web designer from India. In this video, I will give you some information about how to write a jig description on Fiverr. Before that, a small intro. Okay. Once we decided to start a jig in Fiverr, we must do some analysis and do some research about our service, what we will offer through our jig. First, you select your main category. It's mean if you want to write something, writing is a main category, and then after that your subcategory is a blog writing, content writing. Then you find out where is the problem will rises to the buyers. You just think in the buyer's point of view. So identify the problem is the important thing to write our jig description. Before that, we need to analyze the problems and identify those problems, because we are the sellers, we are the freelancers, we are responsible to solve those problems. So we have a solution for that. That's our experience, right? Our practical experience in particular niche or service, we know about that problem, so we can easily solve that problem. That's why we created a jig. So first thing, we need a ability to find the problem, and we have a experience to solve that problem. Also, believe ourselves and build trust by mentioning your experience. This is very important. After that, you answer all the questions asked by the buyers related to your service. You need to prepare everything for that. So you need to expertise in your service, what you want to offer in Fiverr. Finally, you decide what the call to action text you want to show in your jig. So these are the 5 important basic things we need to study and prepare before starting our jig description. In this video, I will share you 10 tips you can apply in your jig descriptions. Let me see one by one. Before that, I will take one sample jig description from Fiverr site, so you can easily understand. I will explain with the example. Okay. Just I am searching for a service for a drop shipping. Okay, let me take this jig. Okay, see, he already completed thousands of orders. Now 60 orders in queue. Okay. So the first important step before writing a jig description is do proper research. Do proper research means we decided a service, but inside a service you can find a lot of opportunities, that's called related services. Writing is a main thing. We can split it many services like blog writing, content writing, script writing, proofreading. We can split it lot of related services. So we need to research properly before writing our jig description. So in this example, dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the subcategory from e-commerce. E-commerce is something we are selling through our store. But dropshipping is different. In e-commerce, we need to have the inventory, right? We need to store the products. If we want to sell toys, we have the inventory. Toys inventory we need to sell. Then only we can sell the toys through to our customers, right? But in dropshipping is different. In dropshipping, we don't need to keep the inventory because the delivery person, because our parties only receive the order and forward the order to the manufacturer or supplier. They will deliver the order to your customer. This is dropshipping. So the seller will completely research about the e-commerce. So he take only specified service, that's called dropshipping. Okay, let me create the stores only for dropshipping. So he selected. That's why I'm saying do proper research. Next thing, use the right keywords. Use the right keywords in the description. Once we used the right keywords, we have the high probability to display our jigs in the front pages. Front page or 1 or 2 pages in the Fiverr search results. Actually, Fiverr search is not like a Google search. Fiverr search work in many criteria, but the right keywords is one of the main criteria. So you use the right keywords in your jig description. See, in this example jig, this is the dropshipping Shopify store. Okay, so you see, dropshipping Shopify store he used here. Okay, so we can use at least 2 or 3 times the main keyword in our jig description. That's very effective. The next thing, provide an introduction. We know about ourselves, but the new buyer don't know about anything about our service or our experience or anything. So we need to give a small introduction about our service and what we will worked till now. Okay, I will just see here. I have been in the dropshipping industry for 7 years and take Shopify and dropshipping stores from 0 to 6.9k within 20 days. This is a small introduction. This simple 2 lines gives a high confidence to the buyer. So the buyer will think, okay, what will be the next information given in this description? So he is ready to read further. So this small introduction is must. You can see this type of introduction in all well-performing jigs. So must use a small introduction in your jig. Next thing, mention your experience. Because people are not willing to give a work for the freshers or newbies, right? Buyers pay money to the sellers, so the buyers want something experience. Freelancers do their work. That's why people are preferring experienced persons. So if you mention your experience in your jig, it works very well. Next thing, mention unique points. In Fiverr, if you want to success, your service must be unique. See this example. He selected a dropshipping niche, right? It's a subcategory from the e-commerce. Here in this jig description, you see these are the unique points. Okay, premium theme, logo design, top converting app setup, bank sales process. So these are the unique points. He's differentiate from other sellers with these unique points. That's why I'm saying mention the unique points in your jig description. It works very well. Then next important thing you need to consider, mention important lines in your jig description in bold or highlighted. Because some buyers don't want to spend more time to read your jig description. If you make it bolder or highlighted, they can easily read those simple sentences. Maybe you can easily impress that simple 1 or 2 lines. After that buyer mentally prepared to read further lines. That's why I'm saying mention important lines in bold or highlighted. See here, scared of being left with a store, not knowledge how to make sales. So this is something important. So after that, he will give you the solution for that. Do you want your own dropshipping store set up by a UK based certified Shopify partner or expert? He want to express he is from UK, right? These are the important lines he want to display to the buyers. Next important thing, explain what you need from buyer to start working. Because this information is very essential, very important. Because in some cases, some buyers don't know how to done the job, how to work. For example, if the buyer want to create a website, he don't know he need to register a domain name or a web hosting. Maybe he want to create a Shopify, he want to create a e-commerce store or Shopify store, he need a Shopify account. He need to share the Shopify login details to the buyer, to the seller, right? So explain to your buyers clearly, this information I need from you to start the work. Next thing, similar like that, you explain what the buyer will get. It means what's your delivery. You received the information to start the work. After your work done, you give it clearly. My delivery include like this: a completed web store, a new logo design, a new advertisement copies, like that. So you clearly mentioned the deliverables. See, here he already mentioned 5 pages web store, 1 product, design customization he gave, responsive design, content upload. This type of he will delivery in this order. So this is very important. After everything you done, these important informations you provided in your JIG, you are ready to start the SEO. I already told SEO means search engine optimization. The Fiverr SEO is not exactly similar to the Google SEO or search engine SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, but you can share your JIG links in other places like social media sites and blog posts. So like that, it will increase your credibility, it will increase your value. After getting some positive reviews, your JIG display counts will be increased, so it will be show in first 5 pages. Maybe in first 1 or 2 pages, if your JIG start display certain keywords, you can get very good amount of orders. I hope this video is useful to you. We will see you on next video. Until that, bye bye.